To other news, a 5-year-old is in need of the public's help this evening for a life-saving pacemaker for his heart. Carrie Simpson has his story.
On the surface, Jermaine Nicholas Taylor is a regular 5-year-old. He enjoys riding his bicycle and never says no to a game of football. But behind the smile, worry. He was born with a heart condition, and at just 2 weeks old, he underwent surgery where a pacemaker was implanted in his chest to control his heartbeat. Recently, his mother received news she was dreading.
About a year now, they be telling me that his heart function is getting low because the one that he's having now, because she's growing, the one that he's having now need to replace.
That replacement will cost the family more than $22,000. It's money they do not have, and now they're appealing for help.
Yes, we also set a GoFundMe. Yes, in November. Yes, we have a cousin that set up a GoFundMe, but it's
it's not working fast enough.
Not fast enough because time is running out. The fear is that little Jermaine will no longer have the energy to do the things he loves, which includes going to school.
No, kind of certain things.
No.
Such as?
Can
playing long and
walking.
And sometimes not even go to school because of his feet.
Sometimes he'll walk from here to there, tell me that he's tired. Because on the last appointment, I tell the doctor, and she telling me that I must try to get a vehicle to try and pick him up and stuff. So I don't try to make him go outside to play because.
And because of his condition, his mother cannot work.
I have to stay home to keep a close eye on him because I cannot leave him out of my sight. I always have to watch his breathing and So I always have to have someone close. So if it's not me, it's his grandma.
If you want to help 5-year-old Jermaine, you can contact his mother, Lorraine Hay, at 876-543-5730.
If anyone out there would like to help little Jermaine,
we appreciate it.
We really appreciate it. We really appreciate it from the bottom of our heart.
Carrie Simpson for TVJ News.